If you want Disney Plus and HBO Max together for one monthly price, Disney offers a 3-service bundle that includes Disney Plus, Hulu, and HBO Max. Let's walk through exactly how to sign up and what to expect after. First, go to disneyplus.com. You can find the link in the description of this video. It supports my work at no extra cost to you and takes you directly to the official Disney Plus website. On the homepage, scroll down for the bundle options. You'll see 2 choices for the Disney Plus, Hulu, and HBO Max bundle. The plan with ads is $19.99 a month. The no ads plan runs $32.99 a month. Pick the one that fits your budget and click the sign up button. Next, create your Disney Plus account or log in if you already have one. You'll enter your email address, set a password, and add your payment details. Disney handles the billing for the whole bundle, so you only pay one charge each month. Then comes the part most people ask about. Do you need to activate HBO Max separately? The answer is yes, but it's simple. After you sign up for the bundle, you need to activate your accounts to stream on all 3 services. If you signed up through disneyplus.com, you'll receive activation emails for both Hulu and HBO Max. Just click those links, set up each account, and you're good to go. And there's one more thing you should know. Disney Plus and Hulu are still in the process of merging into one app. Disney has announced plans to fully combine the 2 services, and that transition is expected to wrap up sometime before the end of 2026. So going forward, you'll find Hulu and Disney Plus content in one place. HBO Max, however, remains its own separate app. That covers everything you need to get started with the Disney Plus, Hulu, and HBO Max bundle. The pricing is straightforward and activation is a quick one-time step. I hope you found this video helpful. You can find the link for Disney Plus in the description. Thank you for watching.